Now the topic before us is Introduction to Statistics. Now we will understand what is the meaning of statistics, what is the difference between primary data and secondary data, how we can collect data, and how we should present data. Suppose we are watching television, and on the television we are watching news. The news are related to a cricket match between the two countries. How we can know that the particular team has won and the other stands defeated? The news will tell us on the basis of the data that this particular team has scored so many runs in the match and so it has won. That is on the basis of the runs scored in the match, the particular team is declared won. So it is only the data or the statistics which come into the picture. Now we take another example. We are reading the newspapers. In the newspapers, it is written that the particular political party has won the state elections. How they have won or how they have been declared won, it is only on the basis of the particular number of seats which they have won. That is the again the role of data or the statistics come into play, because the particular organization has won more number of seats as compared to its competitor political party. If we see the any business news channel, the same may be stating that the particular organization is continuously increasing performance. How they can say? They will give the pictorial presentation of the data that the profits of the particular organization are increasing year by year. Here again, the data or the statistics come into the picture. In the same way, we say that the global warming all over the world is on the rise. That is, the temperatures of all the cities across the globe is increasing. How it is derived? Because it is on the basis of the calculations or the data which is collected by the meteorological department or other research organizations. Here again, the data or the statistics come into the play. Now we will learn the same in theory. Every day we come across a lot of information in the form of facts, numerical figures, tables and graphs. We get this information from newspapers, televisions, magazines and other sources of communication. The information which we get from newspapers, televisions, magazines or other sources of communication may relate to cricket batting, bowling averages, profits of the company, temperatures of the cities, polling results and so on. This information, whether it is numerical or otherwise, is collected with a definite purpose and is called data. Data is used in various aspects of life. So it becomes essential for us to know how to extract meaningful information from such data. It means that suppose there are 100 students in your class and the result has been declared. One student has suppose get 56, another 67, another 77 and so on. Different students, each student has got its own marks. If we write the marks obtained in a single line or many lines, we will not arrive at any conclusion. But if we say that such number of students have got less than 40% marks, and such number of students have got more than 70% of marks. This is the presentation of data. That is, we can arrive at some conclusion. If we write simply the information, there is no purpose. We will not arrive at any conclusion. This extraction of meaningful information is studied in a branch of mathematics called statistics. That is the arriving at a decision on the basis of the information collected to arrive at a particular conclusion. It is studied in statistics, and statistics is a branch of mathematics. Statistics deals with collection, organizing, analyzing, and interpretation of data. The word statistics had different meanings in different contexts. For example, we take two examples. First is, may I have the latest copy of educational statistics of USA? What it means? Here the word statistics means that the numerical data of a number of educational institutions of USA. That is, the data pertains to how many institutions of USA, and it may also contain the reference to literacy rates of various states, etc. Now we take another example. I like to study statistics because it is used in day-to-day life. In this sentence, the word statistics means the subject or a branch of mathematics which deals with collection, organization, presentation, analysis of data, as well as drawing of meaningful conclusions from the data. In this course, we shall briefly discuss collection of the data and presentation of data. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.